How internet works. The internet is a global network of interconnected computers and other devices that communicate with each other using a set of standardized protocols. Here's a simplified explanation of how internet works. First one is devices and end users. At the core of the internet are the various devices that connect to it. These devices can include computers, smartphones, tablets, servers, routers, and more. Each of these devices is assigned a unique address called an IP, Internet Protocol Address. End users like you connect to the internet to an internet service provider, which assigns you an IP address temporarily or dynamically. Second one is data packets. When you access a website, send an email, or engage in any online activity, your device breaks down the information into smaller units called data packets. These packets contain your data as well as source and destination IP addresses. Third one is routing. The internet is not a single physical entity, it is a network of networks. Your data packets may need to travel to various intermediary devices like your routers and switches to reach their destination. These devices use routing algorithms to determine the most efficient path for data packets to reach their destination. Fourth one is protocols. The internet relies on a set of standardized communication protocols such as transmission control protocol and internet protocol. These protocols define how data should be packaged, transmitted, routed, and received. For example, TCP ensures that data packets are reliably delivered while IP is responsible for addressing and routing. Fifth one is DNS, which is called Domain Name System. Instead of remembering IP addresses, which can be hard to recall, we use domain names like www.google.com. The DNS is like a internet's phone book. When you type domain name in your browser, the DNS converts it into corresponding IP address, allowing your device to know where to send your request. Sixth one is servers and hosting. Websites and online services are hosted on servers. These servers are powerful computers that are always connected to the internet and have a static IP address. When you request a web page, your device communicates with the server hosting the page to retrieve the necessary data. Seventh one is request and response. Your device sends a request, for example, for a web page, to the server hosting the website. The server processes your request and sends back a response, which is typically in the form of HTML, images, and other content. Eighth one is firewalls and security. Data security is essential on the internet. Firewalls and other security measures are in place to protect networks and devices from bad activities and unauthorized access. Ninth one is encryption. To secure data transmitted over the internet, encryption protocols like SSL, TLS are used for activities like online banking, shopping, and more. These protocols ensure that data is scrambled during transmission and can only be decrypted by the internet recipient. And the final one is content delivery. To improve performance and speed, content delivery networks CDNs are used. CDNs catch content on servers located closer to end users, reducing latency and speeding up the content delivery. In summary, the internet is a vast, interconnected network of devices and networks that communicate using standardized protocols. It relies on data packets, routing, DNS, and various layers of security to function. When you access a website or send a mail, your data is broken into packets, sent to a series of intermediary devices, and eventually reaches its destination where it's reassembled and delivered to your device. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe now. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.